Hello students, how are you? Welcome back to the channel Crypto Maths, and as again promised, my today's random topic is square root of 2, 3, 5, and let's see how much we can cover. The main basic behind is covering these roots जो आपको सारी classes में बहुत काम आते हैं, but you forget to learn how to do it. Okay. Square root of 2. First of all, what is square root of 2? Square root of 2 is root 2. It means 2 raised to half. It means when this root 2 will be multiplied by itself, that means root 2, it will give you the number 2. It's a normal algebraic number which when multiplied by itself gives you a whole number 2. Okay, let us start how to find the square root of 2. First of all, हमें ये decide करना है, हमें ये तो पता है कि square root of 2 की वैल्यू डेसिमल्स में आएगी. जो हमें सबसे पहले ये डिसाइड करना है कि हमें कितने डेसिमल्स तक जाना है. जितने डेसिमल्स तक जाना है उतने पेयर ऑफ जीरोस हम 2 के साथ एसोसिएट करेंगे. सो आई विल राइट 2 डेसिमल, क्योंकि हमें रूट 2 की वैल्यू निकालनी है एंड मुझे कम से कम उसकी 4 डिजिट वैल्यूज चाहिए. तो मैं 4 पेयर ऑफ जीरोज इसके साथ एसोसिएट करूंगी. मिनिमम जो आपको लेना होता है वो होता है 3 पेयर ऑफ जीरोज. Okay, now we will start because we are finding the square root of 2 by long division method. मैंने आपको last time भी एक वीडियो में long division method से square root निकालना सिखाया था. Today I have a specific motive of finding the square root of 2, 3, 5 and let's see how much we can cover. क्योंकि ये वाली वैल्यूज आपको बहुत सारी जगह लगती हैं और आप उन वैल्यूज के आंसर्स भूल जाते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज 2. हमने पीछे से पेयरिंग स्टार्ट की एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉट. पीछे से पेयरिंग की तो ये हमारा 2 अकेला है. 2 मीन्स 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. सो 2 से छोटा है 1. सो 1 ones are 1. वी आर लेफ्ट विथ 1. अब नेक्स्ट पूरा पेयर हमारा नीचे आता है, सो इट विल कम 0. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू 1 में हम सेम डिजिट को ऐड करते हैं, सो इट बिकम्स 2. I will repeat what I have already taught. 2 के आगे हमें कोई ऐसा नंबर लगाना है जो ये दोनों नंबर्स सेम हो. Either 21 into 21 or 22 into 2, 23 into 3 और 24 into 4. मैं 4 से करके देखती हूँ. It is coming 96. That means I will write 4 here. एंड ये डेसिमल तो हमारा यहाँ था, तो ये डेसिमल यहाँ जाएगा एंड देन आई विल राइट 4. 96. आई एम लेफ्ट विथ 4. नाउ इज द चांस ऑफ दिस पेयर, ये पूरा नीचे आ जाएगा. और 24 में हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? वी विल ऐड द यूनिट डिजिट, दैट इज 4. अब ये बन गया हमारा 28. 28 के आगे हमें कोई भी ऐसा नंबर लेना है जिसको हम उस सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें सो दैट वी गेट अ वैल्यू लेसर देन 400. सो लेट अस टेक 281 into 1 और 282 into 2. So obviously this is going above 400, so we have to take this 281. So 1 and 1 and 281. अब हम इसको subtract करेंगे. So we are getting 119. Now it is a chance of carrying these pairs below. And 281 में हम क्या add करेंगे? We will add the unit digit, that is 1. So it becomes 282. Okay. Now 282 के आगे हमें कुछ multiply करना है. So same thing. 282 1 into 1. 282 2 into 2, 282 3 into 3 और 282 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 9 8 4s are 32, 11296. 11296 11900 से छोटा है, so I will write 4 here and 1 1 296 है. Now we'll subtract 11296 from 11,900. Let us see what we are getting. And these pair of two zeros will come down, so we are getting 60,400. Now here what are we supposed to do? We have already taken 1 and 1. No, we have taken 4 and 4 here. Okay, now we will be adding 4 to it, so it will become 2828. Now we have to multiply 2828 1 into 1 or 2828 2 into 2. So let us see with 2 as it is 60,000 something. For this will be 5, this will be 16, and this. So what will come? It will come 2, and here we will write 56,564. We'll subtract it as we had decided that we will get the values till 4 digits. So उसके आगे हम dot लगा देंगे. That means because this is not going to end. जितनी हम values निकालना चाहें, as √2 is a irrational number, so it is non-terminating and non-repeating. So this is not going to end. We have to stop ourselves somewhere. So finally we are getting the value of √2 as 1.4142, and then dot. That means many more digits can come here. Now let us move to √3. The same method, everything will be same. हम पीछे से pairing start करेंगे. As I have taken 4 pairs, हम चाहें तो हम 3 pairs तक भी ले सकते हैं, 3 values तक निकाल लेंगे. Okay, the main logic behind is to learn how to take out the root values and how to remember them. 3 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, so obviously यहाँ पर भी 1 1s are 1 जा रहा है. We are getting 1 and remainder is 2. Same unit digit हम add कर देंगे, it becomes 2. और ये pair of zeros यहाँ आ गया. 2 के आगे we are supposed to multiply with something and multiply it with the same number so that we get lesser than 200. 27 into 27, 28 into 28, 7 7s are 49, 189, and ये obviously ज़्यादा जा रहा है, so we will take 7s are decimal. ये decimal यहाँ था, so same decimal is carried, and then we are going to write 7 189. 200 में से जब हम 189 को subtract करेंगे, we'll be left with 11. And the second pair of zeros will come here, and यहाँ पर क्या होगा, हम क्या add करेंगे? We will be adding 7, so it becomes 34. अब 3 4 के आगे हमें कोई नंबर लेना है and multiplied with the same number so that we get a lesser number than 1100. 340, 2 into 2, 340, 3 into 3, 340, 4 into 4. Let us try with 3, 9, 12, 1029. So ये match करता है. So we will take 3, we will write 3, and we will write 1029. अब 1100 में से जब हम 1029 को subtract करेंगे, we'll be left with 71. This pair of zeros will come down, और यहाँ पर हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? We'll be adding 3. It will become 346. 346 के आगे we need a number multiplied by the same number, so we get a lesser number than 7100. So let us take 3461 into 1. It will come 3461. 3462 into 2. So we will get 6924. ये match करता है. So we will write 2 here, we will write 2 here, and we will write 6924, and we'll be left with 176, जिसकी हमें ज़रूरत नहीं, हम subtract करें ना करें. We have got our value, that the value of √3 is 1.732 and dot, because we know that it's a non-terminating and non-repeating number, so it will not end, but we have got the value to be remembered is 1.732. Now moving to √5, same thing we are going to write root 5, 5 raised to half, and then we'll be finding the value. We'll write 5 0 0 0 0 0 0. We'll take 3 digits only, right? So now we'll be starting. अब पेयरिंग स्टार्ट की हमने पीछे से, सो वी आर लेफ्ट विथ 5. 5 के लिए 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. सो ऑब्वियसली जो हमें नंबर सूट करता है दैट इज 2 2s are, वी आर लेफ्ट विथ 1. यहाँ पर वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड द सेम नंबर 4, and here the pair of these two zeros will come down. Now 4 के आगे we need to get a number 41 into 1, 42 into 2. So obviously 42 into 2 suits us. So we'll write 2's a decimal as it is ऊपर गया. We'll write 2, 84. We are left with 16. This pair of two zeros is coming down. यहाँ पर 42 में what are we going to add? The unit digit, that is 2. It becomes 4 4. 4 4 के आगे we are supposed to put a number multiplied by the same number. So let us see. 4 4 1 into 1 नहीं सूट करता. 4 4 2 into 2 no. 4 4 3 into 3. Let us try with 3. 9 12 and 13. It perfectly suits us. We'll put 3 and we will write 1 3 2 9. While subtracting we will be getting 271, and the next zeros pair will come down. और यहाँ पर हमें क्या करना है? We are supposed to add 3 to it, so it will become 4 4 6. सेम थिंग 4 4 6 के आगे हमें एक ऐसा नंबर लेना है जिसको हमें सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सो दैट वी गेट अ लेसर नंबर देन 27,100. So let us rub this work. We'll get 4 4 6 1 into 1, 4 4 6. अभी तो हमें बहुत आगे जाना है, so let us reach 4. ये भी नहीं आ रहा. 4 4 6 5 into 5, 4 4 6 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 39, 6 4 are 24, 27, 24, 26. 26,796 is lesser than 27,100. So we will place 26,796. We will subtract it and we will get 304. And here we will write 6 and we will write 6. As we have taken 3 pair of zeros, we could have taken more pair of zeros. But for the time we will write dot dot dot, and the value of root 5 is 2.236. It can be rounded if rounded off as 2.24 also. ये 3 6 round off होके 24 बन गया. It's your wish. We can leave it as 2.236 dot 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 also. So this was a random topic for the day. Stay tuned, stay connected, because and I have a good news also. Now I'll be putting all the exercises for standard 8th also, 9th also, and 10th I'm already doing. So stay connected and subscribe to my channel so that we meet daily.